crispy pork belly. Crispy pork belly is so versatile. You can use this in noodle soups, stir fries. Pad kaprao, we fry it with some Thai basil, some vegetables, serve it with some rice. Eat it as is, or put it on a salad. This stuff is so good. Just listen to that. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the most important things we need for this recipe are obviously our pork belly. I just purchased a whole pork belly roast and I cut it into these little strips. That way you can put them in the freezer and cook them up at different times. As you can see, we're just going to salt it. We're going to coat it really well in salt. Now I'm just using some Himalayan pink salt, but you can use kosher salt or whatever kind of salt you would like. Scrub it, rinse it off nicely, and then we're going to boil it and bake it. No frying in this method. There's so much good fat on here. We don't need to put any extra oil, seed oils, anything like that. So I'm gonna show you a method how to do that in your oven and make it super crispy and delicious. You're also going to need one of these that's gonna keep that roast up off of the pan and help it to get a little bit crispier in the oven. There we go. Okay, for this next step, we're gonna go ahead and add some water here. About 3/4, halfway to 3/4 over this. Now we're gonna bring that to a boil, and we will boil that for about 10 to 15 minutes, flipping it over once or twice throughout. And while we're doing that, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes here. Starting to change, it's a little bit of gray. That's what we wanna see. We're gonna let that cool for just a minute, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut that fat cap both directions, nice fine lines to allow a lot of that fat to render and cook and get crispy and allow the seasoning to get inside a little bit. It's gonna be great. Now we've got our lines cut. We're gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of salt just to the fat on top and really rub that in. I'm just gonna coat it lightly, enough to get it into all the cracks. Perfect. Now it's ready to go on our rack and then into our oven for 2 hours, 350 degrees. Okay, it's been 2 hours, you guys. Now we're just gonna take this out real quick. And if you've got a brush, you can just dip it right into that fat. Brush the top of that. And then we're gonna season it a little bit with some garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. And there it is, you guys. Crispy pork belly. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, great recipes. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Till the next one. God, that's hot. Yeah. Bakes out. Yeah.